Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Malibu LS. Stock number Z9235XX. 17,000 miles on this Malibu. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Silver Ice Metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Malibu is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull of the tab on either side allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LS has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 27 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.